FundSmart app. The pros, the cons. FundSmart is an investment app designed to simplify mutual fund investing for beginners, but does it live up to the hype? Starting with the pros. First, ease of use. The app's interface is intuitive, making it simple for beginners to navigate, select funds, and track performance. Second, low minimums. You can start investing with relatively small amounts, which lowers the barrier to entry for new investors. Third, curated recommendations. FundSmart provides fund suggestions based on risk tolerance and investment goals, helping users avoid analysis paralysis. Now, the cons. One limitation is limited asset types. FundSmart primarily focuses on mutual funds and doesn't provide access to individual stocks, ETFs, or alternative investments. Another drawback is fee transparency. While fees are competitive, some users report that detailed fee structures for certain funds can be hard to find. The surprising truth? Many people get stuck picking funds, but FundSmart's curated recommendations can help you start investing confidently without overcomplicating the process. In conclusion, the pros user-friendly interface, low minimums, and curated fund guidance make FundSmart appealing for beginners. The cons, limited asset types and occasional fee opacity, mean that experienced investors seeking diverse portfolios may need more robust platforms.